This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Ron Pletcher. Completely renovated ranch home over finished basement in Fritz Terrace. An open concept floor plan encompasses the kitchen, dining, and main level living space and opens onto the deck, allowing for an easy flow for entertaining and for daily living. The kitchen boasts granite countertops, backsplash, new LG stainless steel appliances, chicer cabinets with soft close drawers, beautiful new Bruce hardwood flooring, and refinished original hardwood flooring adds warmth throughout the home. The master bedroom has a walk-in closet and an ensuite bath with Kohler cast iron tub and a natural slate tile floor. 3 other bedrooms share a hall bath with a double vanity. All bedrooms have ceiling fans, and all the secondary bedrooms have closet systems in place. The lower level offers another living space with a large rec room, separate exercise/game room, and a large laundry room, with space for a workshop or extra storage. Outdoor living can be enjoyed on the deck and in the large, fenced backyard. With 4 bedrooms and a lower level flex space, there are many possibilities for a home office. Finishing touches are still being completed, and an allowance for a master closet system and for kitchen lighting will be offered. In many ways, this house is better than new. Featuring new plumbing and electrical, new roof and new siding, as well as all the interior updates. This is a comfortable established northside neighborhood with easy access to grocery, downtown, IU, and the I-69 interstate. Schedule your private showing today. Taxes will